guys, in this video we'll be discussing about JICA's recruitment drive 2021. So before discussing further, I am requesting all of you, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that regularly you'll be getting updates regarding latest off campus and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So right now JICOS is hiring for the role of business development executive or BDE, and it's an IT field, or that means IT solutions you will be selling, not the earphone or CC camera etc. You will not be selling. You will be dealing with the IT industry only. And the job location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it's a full-time employment. So now let's discuss about the job role responsibilities and the eligibility criteria and the application process. So they're hiring for the business development executive and experience of about 0 to 2 years. That means fresh graduates can apply for this job profile, no issues. And candidates should have hands-on experience in generation of leads and new business opportunities, etc. So these are the key responsibilities or the roles: generating new business leads and opportunities, collaborating with regional sales managers to accelerate the influx business and the opportunities in the assigned territory, etc. Reaching out the customers or the potential customers through phone, email address, social media, etc. to enhance or to increase the sales, IT sales only. Then staying up to date with the latest procurement industry trends and the best practices, etc. These are the key responsibilities or the job responsibilities here. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. So the skills and experience required here are: should have experience of 0 to 2 years in business development or inside sales in software company only, that means IT department, or you can say IT software sales, etc. Excellent verbal and written communication skills in English and public speaking background is preferable. Soft skills: strong in-depth analytical skills, proficient with professional business conversations, then account mapping and social selling ability, networking and the team management. And education qualification required here is BE, BTech or MBA from the premium institutes, etc. So that means all the other background or the qualification candidates like BSc etc. are not eligible. Only the BE, BTech, MBA candidates are eligible for this job profile. And they have not specified any specific branch here. That means all the non-IT and the IT background candidates can apply for this job profile. And if you see carefully here, they have not asked for any specific programming language or the skills here like C, Java, Python, .NET, etc. They have not asked for. That means if you are weak in coding, then you must apply for this job profile. Later, you can switch into another field or another job profile in the same company. I would suggest you. And they have not specified any year of pass out candidates. That means the 2020, 21, 22, 18, 2019 all are eligible for this job profile. And if you are a fresher, then it's still no fine, you can apply, because 0 to 2 year of experience is required for this job profile. So these are the basic requirements here. So if you are interested for this job profile, simply click on the apply for this job button here or option here. Otherwise you can click on the application option. After, to the right side of overview, there is a application button. Simply click on the application, then you will be able to apply for this job profile. So autofill the application, save time by importing your resume. So you need to import your resume from your local device or Google Drive, etc. So after importing the resume, details will be filled automatically like first name, last name, email address, phone number you have to provide. Then profile, resume, it will automatically uploaded. Then details: what is your total year of experience in years? So if you are a fresh graduate, simply put 0. Do you have prior experience in business development, inside sales or software sales, etc.? So if you're undergone any online classes or anything you have gone, then simply click on the yes, otherwise no. Then what is your highest qualification you need to put, name of the college you need to put, passing year you need to put, final CGPA or aggregate of the semester. And what is your current location you need to provide. Are you willing to relocate to work in shifts? Yes or no. If you want to relocate, simply click on the yes. If you want the job, then you need to simply choose yes. What is your current CTC? So if you're a fresh graduate, simply put 0. Otherwise you can put like 3.5, 3.6, etc. Then what is your notice period in days? So if you are willing to join their company immediately, then simply choose 0. Otherwise put 15, 13, etc. So these are the required or the mandatory fields. So you need to Provide all the necessary details, otherwise you'll not be able to apply for this job profile. Mention the earliest date that you can join their company. So suppose today is 9th or 10th February. So suppose if you are willing to join their company, just put a approximate date, because you will not be getting the date before 14th, or you can say before 25, etc. You can put any of the number, no issues. Mention any professional achievements or the awards that have received. So this is the key thing. So try to connect here awards or the skills, or you can say the certificates, which is suitable for this business development executive role. That means they need a good communication skills and analytical skills. So if have participated any online classes, or on any if you have organized any social cultural activity, or anything you have organized during your college, you can put all these things here, so that they will be able to know, yeah, you have a good communication skill, etc. So if you have a merit list, you can provide all these things. So after putting all these things, all the mandatory fields if you are filling, then you need to simply click on the submit application button here. After that you will be able to apply for this job profile. So hardly it will be taking 1 minute to apply for this job profile. So I'll be putting the link on this in the description of this video, so that you will be able to apply for this job profile. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.